Hello, sweet team. Come with me and let's make beetroot ginger smoothie. I have my banana, beetroot, and ginger. So let's get into it. Welcome back to this channel. If today is your first time watching, you are warmly welcome. I have my beetroot and ginger. It is all peeled and cut. And I'll add my banana as for the sweetness and the tenderness. So you can see I did not cut my banana, but you can cut your banana into pieces to make the process easier. I'll add 1.5 cup of water to it. At this point, you can add any sweetener you want if you want extra sweetness, because the banana is all that I need for the sweetness. But if you want extra sweetness, you can add condensed milk, honey to it. It is your choice, but I like it this way. So let's blend it all till it is smooth. So if today is your first time on this channel and you have not subscribed yet, please subscribe to this channel. But if you have been watching my videos and you have not subscribed yet, what are you waiting for, my dear? Please subscribe to this channel, because if you subscribe, you're helping this channel and you're encouraging me to do more for you. And this Christmas, I'm bringing you amazing recipes to elevate your cooking in this Christmas. So please don't miss it. Don't miss it. It is all blend smoothly. My beetroot ginger smoothie is ready. Let us serve it. You can serve this with your ice, or you can set it in the fridge for some minutes and you can enjoy it, or you can enjoy it that way, anyhow you want it. And it really look better than it looks here, because I use a new phone to record this and the camera was not that quality. Forgive me, guys. I will do better next time. Just look at it. It really look better than it looks here. So it is time for us to taste it, and I'm telling you, this tasted delicious. You have to try it at home. It's really healthy and delicious to try it. You know, this Christmas, make something different for the family in the case. Let them experience something different, okay? So thank you so much for tuning in today. God bless you, and please, if you have not subscribed, subscribe to this channel and share this video with your loved ones. And if you love this content, please give me a thumbs up and comment down below and let